Scott. Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me, Rogue. Yes, that's my name. Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, I am Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers and subscribers. So today I'm going to do like a really simple look today, but yeah, I'm gonna start off with my brows. But before I go on with that, I am absolutely really loving my skin right now. Now, I've been neglecting my skin for, let's say, over 6 months, but I am finally back in I am no longer funky. Ooh, that doesn't actually sound right. I am no longer funky. I'm not in a funk anymore. I feel very rejuvenated regardless of the situation that's going on right now in the world. You know, pandemic and all, but I am feeling very rejuvenated in terms of I am finding a new lease of artistry. I'm finding, you know, just cleansing my being and just, you know, enjoying life as much as it can give me. I mean, we've all gone through hardships in the last 2 months maybe, but yeah, I'm trying not to let that get me down. So yeah, I decided a couple of weeks ago to go splash out and just get back to my skin routine. So my skin routine is from Revolution Beauty, and what I've been using is the stabilized collagen. I've been using the caffeine solution with hyaluronic acid for under your eyes, and also the gold elixir with rosehip oil. And this is something new that I've been using. This is a brightening boost moisturizer. It's got ginseng in it, and also I have this watermelon hydration boost gel. And there's another app that I use now just because, well, someone suggested it to me, and I'll leave the link or whatever in the description box. We won't talk about that, but I do post on there like almost every single day, at least once. So yeah, go check that out if you want to see like an updated skin routine and just me answering some questions that I don't even really answer on the channel much, or really, because I only actually just go in and do makeup. But I'm going to start with my brows first, so let's get to the look. I know I've said that I've been neglecting my skin and everything, so I'm gonna go in with my foundation, but I should be putting a primer on, but I'm not today just because I plan to do more than one look. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I am using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and my shade is, I can't tell you what my shade is, I'm sorry. Oh, this is cold. I was supposed to start off with my brows, wasn't I? I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer from Primark, and this is in the shade Caramel. Why am I talking like that? Why did I have an accent? Part of me getting back out of my little funk that I've been having this year, the beginning of this year, has actually helped me grow as a person, I suppose. Like, it's made me self-evaluate a lot, and it's made me actually go back to doing stuff that made me really happy once upon a time, and I kind of stopped doing certain things because I was branded a weirdo. So I've been burning a lot of sage, and I've noticed that that's become like a really popular thing right now, burning sage, particularly, and this is only by from what I can say when I go into my news feeds and everything on Facebook or on Instagram and Twitter, well, not so much Twitter, but I've noticed fairly a lot of people of colour, black people, are burning sage like it's the in thing. And obviously I do this to just cleanse my thoughts, help me cleanse the house and all. But it's become a fad right now, and when I was doing this before, it was like, oh my gosh, you're into witchcraft, oh my god. I was like, well, you say what you want to call it. I call myself a neo-pagan. So, that's why I do it. Why are you doing it? Because you don't believe in that stuff. My face feels a bit, well, that sponge is a bit dry and I can't be bothered to re-moisten it. This is the Glass Glow Fix from Revolution. I'm going to use the black opal powder in medium. Or as my partner likes to call it, curry powder. And we're gonna spray our face again. But I've done one brow already, but I'm not even gonna conceal that because I like the shape already and I don't really want the focus to be on my brows today. So now I'm going to go in with a light concealer. This is in the shade What Natural. And I'm just going to place that on my outer corners in a spot. Like that. My eyes look wonky. I'm going to blend that into like a circly shape. Just kind of trying to keep the shape that we've already got. And now I'm going to go into Creative from Wikked Artistry Cosmetics. And this is a loose neon pigment, so I'm only going to take a smidge of it onto my brush. And I'm using a pencil brush. Tap off the excess because I've just done my base. I'm not about to mess this up. And just tap that on. ready. Right, so I'm gonna go into the Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with Visari. That's that blue hair, right? And I'm going to spritz my brush just so that it's a tiny bit moist. Catch all of that moistness. Blinding. I'm gonna go in now with Jester, and I'm gonna place that on my lids, but yeah, I just want there to be no fallout, which is why I'm dabbing my brush with some moisturizer, and I'm just gonna press that on and follow my natural lid shape. I'm not gonna go beyond. I'm gonna let the brush do all of what it needs to do. I actually like to use this on my lips as well, and I am going to use it on my lips today. So there. I'm just going to highlight my nose, and I'm going to use the shade Donatello from the Renaissance palette. So guys, that's how I you know, this is what I wanted to do with my face. This is not how I got the look, it's just how I wanted to do my face today, alright? So I have got a challenge from a friend, from my bubby, and yeah, so I'm going to go and figure out what I can do with the shades he has challenged me with. What's that? Oh. Anyway, I hope to see you soon in the next episode, no, in the next video. And yeah, like I said before, we have hit 100,000 subscribers. No, we haven't. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. It would be really nice if I got 100,000 subscribers, but whatever. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, you can also, you know, follow me on the community tab, where I will be uploading lots of hints and teasers of what's to come on the channel, and just saying hi really basically to you guys. Also, you know, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.